Hello guys, over you. My name is Rao Sharma and you are watching Fun with RS, and I'm back with a new video. And in this video I'm going to show you that how you can install Android on Windows. Yes, you listen that right, how to install Android on Windows. Now you can also switch between accounts after the installation between Windows and Android. Now what you have to do first, open your Chrome browser and search here Phoenix OS, Phoneix space OS. Now click on the very first link you see here, Phoenix OS for 64-bit. Now this video is only recommended for me for the users of 64-bit. Now you can scroll down, as you can see Android 7.1, Android 5.1. There are two links for Windows and for Windows and Mac. Now the small one is for Windows. I'm installing for Windows, then I will click on the Windows link, and here you have got one link of Mega and one link of official download and browser download. You can also go for Mega if you want, but I want the download on my browser. I have already downloaded this, so I don't need to download this again and again. So as you can see, I have downloaded it. Let me close all, and here you can see a desktop icon is already created on my desktop shortcut, and click on the Phoenix installer, and yes, it is loading, and give the permission yes, and click on install here, left one install. Now select the location where do you want to install your Android. You can switch later on, and where you do want to install. I'm installing my, let me select this to C. Now click on next. Now here you will see different data sites, 16G, 32G, 4G, 8G. I recommend you to install 8G. You can also choose 4G, but I recommend you for 8G. Now click on install. As you can see, the installation has been started. Now the installation has been done, and I am restarting my laptop. Now the restarting has been done and the Phoenix OS has been installed. Now what you have to do, select your language, accept. You can connect to Wi-Fi here now, but I am skipping this right now. Skip anyway. Now select your computer name, create your account on Phoenix OS. Now select your laptop name, FUNWITHR. Now the Android has been installed on your laptop. Now you can do anything on your laptop which you do on your phone. You can run Play Store, you can download any application, you can run Clash of Clans, PUBG Mobile on our high specs, and you can connect to Wi-Fi, or everything you do on your Android phone. Now you can do everything on your PC or laptop. Now I'm connected my Wi-Fi to my laptop, as you can see. So this is the video, and please don't forget to like the video, comment if any problem, share with your friends, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.